In this program, let us solve another interesting problem on arrays, or you can say list. What is the problem? Let us analyze. Write a program to print duplicate element of given array. Only one duplicate element is present. So they are telling us that only one duplicate element is present. And what is our task is we just need to print that duplicate element. So let us see what are the elements present in the given list. Let us take an input 1, 2, 3, and 1. So let me take 1. So how many times it occurred? It occurred twice. So what can I analyze from this? So 1 occurred 2 times. That means 1 occurred 2 times. That means 1 is present 2 times in my given list. That means this is the duplicate element. This is the duplicate element. So I need to print the output as 1. So let us analyze with another example as well. So 1, 2, 1, double 2, 3. So 1, 2, 2, 3. So what is the first element? 1. How many times it occurred? Only once. So it is not duplicate. It is not duplicated. It occurs only once. So only one is present. So no duplicates of ones are there. So let us continue with picking the next element. What is the next element? 2. So what is the frequency of 2? 2 occurred. How many times? 2 times. So the frequency of 2 is 2. So since 2 occurred 2 times, 2 has a duplicate present in the list. So what do we need to do? We just need to print that element. That's it. So for this, how do we code so that we can print the duplicate element? So to code this, first of all, we need to read the list. So to read anything which is present in a single line, we use input function to read a line of string format. Then what I want to do, I want each and every element separately in the given input. Based on space separation, I'd like to separate. So for that, in Python, we're having split operation. Then I want all the data in integer format. So I'd like to map this to int function. Then what I want is list format. I want not map format. I want only list format. So in this way, we can read the list. So let us print and analyze whether we read list correctly or not. So let me provide 1, 2, 3 as well as 1. So you can see my list got printed correctly. Yeah. So what do we do? What do we do now? So I just like to pick one by one element from the given list. So we are picking one by one element from the given list. That is, we are repeatedly doing the same operation picking. So in that case, we need to go for loops. We have for loop as well as while loop as well. So which syntax is suitable for picking one by one element is for loop. So I'm just picking one by one element and I just like to print that element. So let us run and check it is printing one by one element or not. So you can see all the elements got printed one by one. Okay. So let us see the frequency of that element in the given list as well. So to find the frequency of the element in the given list, we have count function. So L is my list, so L dot count is my function. So we use count of which element I want to count. EL is the element stored variable. So I'm using ELE. So in this way, we can find the frequency of given element. So let us run and check we are getting the count of each and every element or not. 1, 2, 3, 1. So here you can see 1 occurred twice. Is it? Yeah. Then second element is what? 2. 2 occurred how many times in the given list? Only one. So do I got? Yeah. Next, what is the third element? It is 3. Yeah, its frequency is what? 1. Only once it occurred. And then what is the last element? 1. How many times it occurred? 2 times. So we got correctly the element and its frequency. Now what I want to find, I just want to print the duplicate element. When do we say a element is duplicate? We say a element is duplicate only when it occurred more than once. That is, if L dot count, that is nothing but count of that element, that is nothing but the frequency which occurred more than once. That means the frequency which occurred more than once. What does it indicates? Frequency of element is greater than 1, which indicates that is nothing but duplicate element. So that is nothing but it's a duplicate element. What I need to do? I just need to print that element. That's it. I just need to print that element. And then after finding the duplicate, do I need to iterate over other elements and check whether I have again that element is duplicate or not? No need, because only one duplicate is present. In question itself, they provided us only one duplicate element is present. So that's why we just need to break the for loop. We have written the break, it just breaks the for loop. That's it. So let us run and check whether the duplicate element got printed or not. So let us try with two input cases. First input is what? 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1, 2, 3, and as well as 1. So you can see 1 is printed since it is a duplicate. Now let us try with another input. What is that? 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. So you can see 2 I found. So in this way, we can solve this problem. This problem is used to find the duplicate element in the given array. I hope this video is understandable to you. Please try to write this code and try to practice the code so that you have an awareness of how to find the duplicate element present in the given list or not. If you still have any doubts, please try to comment. And if you like the video, please like it. If you like to help your friends, please share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for our support. Thanks. Thanks for watching. So in further videos, we move further on data structures and algorithms on lists. So thanks for watching. Must practice so that is the only step you need to do so that you can able to answer or you can able to solve the question which is given in exams. So thanks for watching.